Hey guys, it's Michael with Mealey Marine. Today I'm going to be showing you guys this Majek Extreme that we just got done rigging. This was a very, very big job, and DJ got a bunch of work done on this. Trolling motor graphs, motor work, all sorts of things. So we'll just go ahead, we'll start up here. DJ originally had a Riptide Tarova on here. Wasn't a big fan of it, so he asked, he wanted to get an Ultrex. So the problem with putting like Ultrexes on a center console like this is you have a lid right here, a compartment. So you can't have a foot pedal that's like tethered, or you can. You're just gonna have to know that that compartment is basically useless or whatever. It's not gonna be bolted down. So we decided to go with the new Garmin Force Pro, which this is the one that goes backwards. You can go backwards without changing direction. He got a live scope unit on here. He went with a 106 SV, and we got him this balls out mount. We've done this multiple times. They're really clean on these center console boats. It looks sick. It's an all black boat, black balls out. I mean, you know, you got your balls out, looking good. You might be asking, why is a trolling motor on this side? That's goofy. Well, we do goofy things here at Mealey Marine. But the reason why it's on this side is because that's where the other one was. So we just kept the holes and did that. In here is his live scope box. We ran dedicated wiring all the way up here to the front to some bus bars because he was talking with us about adding some things in the beginning and then decided not to go that route. So we have power up there. We don't have to worry about it. It's all up there, right there. Please, if you bring us to your boat, take all your stuff out. It probably took Christian at least 20 minutes to take everything out, 20 minutes to put everything back in this boat. We removed a light bar that was terribly installed up there. We put new JL audio speakers in, replaced his head unit. He already had a Fusion head unit, so we went ahead and just put another one in there. I can't remember what was wrong with it. His live well switches were backwards. So when he was trying to turn on the bow, it would turn on the stern and back and forth. We hooked up his graph, same thing, to his Yamaha. He can now see all his stuff from there. He already had the gauges up there, so everything was right there. Super cool, super clean. Moving on back, his power pole board went out, so we went ahead and we replaced that for him. You can't, it's over there anyways. But yeah, it came out really nice. We installed a Mealey Marine anchor light. Used the code Grumpy10, U.S. Coast Guard approved light right here, all around anchor light. Waterproof, tight, sexy, sleek, beautiful. Get them, MealeyMarine.com. Use code Grumpy10, get 10% off. They're $149.99, so you save $14.99. So that was that. And then back here, we resealed his trim. His trim seals were leaking. All new trim seals, all new trim fluid. This thing goes up and down. And we did also fill the holes in the back for his transducer thing. That'll be the last time I ever do gel coat work. It's not the best, but it works. So yeah, that is it for the Majek. It's a very weird name. If anybody can tell me where that name comes from, just comment down below. I've always wondered. A lot of people say Majek. It might be Majek. I don't know. I've always heard people call it Majek, so I call it Majek. I don't want to be a goof saying we got a Majek with a goofy trolling motor side. But that's it. Is there anything else I'm missing, Christian?
I don't think so.
Christian says he does not think so. If you're wondering why this looks weird, it looks like he hit something. So, yeah, this is just kind of bailey-wopped, but it works. It's done. This is out the door, getting paid. It's Friday, which means I get paid today. Everybody else got paid, but I don't get paid till boats get picked up. We got 2 boats getting picked up, maybe 3. Maybe 3 boats if Kyler stops arguing with me about everything I tell him to do. But anyways, love you guys. If you guys want to bring your boat, check us out, MealeyMarineServices.com. Oh, real quick. Come on, let's go back over here, Christian. We are now certified dealers for Outboard EFI tunes. So if you got a Yamaha, a Zuki, a Daihatsu, we can tune your motor. So this VMAX Show 250, we can tune this thing up to 325. That's just wild. Also, he gets about a 10 to 15% fuel economy savings, so savings in fuel in the mid-range, higher lower end torque. So yeah, if you guys are interested in that, we might start offering like where you mail us your ECUs, we flash them and mail them back. So anyways, that's it guys. I hope you liked the video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you later. Bye.